base plate screw and nut. Daytona base plate. Attach the base plate to the seat bottom using the base plate screw and nut. Use a size 10 open wrench and a size 5 hex tool to tighten it. Locate the 4 screws at the back of the deck. Screws and spacers in the Daytona bag. The spacers goes below the base plate and the screws hold them down. Do not full tighten the screws first until you have all 4 screws mounted on. This will give you slack to adjust the base plate around. Once all 4 screws are in, fully tighten them. If your seat is too low or high, use 2 size 10 open wrench and loosen this 2 nuts. You will be able to move the whole seat up or downwards. Once you get the right height, tighten the 2 nuts again.